Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number 4 analytical chemistry, in which we have started unit number 3 theory of titrimetric analysis, and in our last lecture we have seen the introductory part regarding the titrimetric analysis, and in this lecture we will see what are the acid base indicators. So first we will see what are the acid base indicators. That is, substance that changes color in the presence of an acid or a base is called as acid base indicators. Then there are different types of acid base indicators. Red or blue litmus also called as acid base indicators. Phenolphthalein indicator, PHTH in short form. Bromothymol blue food coloring indicator. Then red cabbage juice, all are the acid base indicators. Then what is indicator? A pH indicator is a halochromic chemical compound. To determine the pH of another solution, indicator is used. So overall pH indicator is a halochromic chemical compound. pH indicators are weak acids that exist as natural dyes. Acid base indicators are weak acids or weak bases. So in H ion, which is a acidic form, sometimes shows color, and when it goes into the basic form, H plus ion minus, it shows another color, different color. For example, in case of phenolphthalein indicator, H ion in acidic form, it is a colorless, but in basic form ion minus, it is a pink color. So this is about the changes of color in phenolphthalein indicator. So in case of phenolphthalein indicator, when colorless, that is acidic form, acidic pH, it is a colorless, but in basic form it is a pink color and looks like, the structure looks like this. The starting lactone form is breakdown here, and we are getting phenolphthalein ions. This is a phenolphthalein molecule. Then in case of phenolphthalein is a chemical compound with the formula C20H14O4 and is often written as H ion or PH. In shorthand notation, phenolphthalein is often used as an indicator in case of titrations. In acid base titrations, we are using phenolphthalein as an indicator. For this application, it turns colorless in acidic solution and pink in basic solution. So here colorless to pink is the end point of the titration when we use phenolphthalein as an indicator, as shown in this titration tube. So phenolphthalein is insoluble in water and usually is dissolved in alcohols for use in experiments purpose. It is a weak acid which can lose H plus ions in solution. Then phenolphthalein molecule is colorless and phenolphthalein ion is pink one. In molecular form it is a colorless one, but in ionic form it is a pink one. So in acidic form it is a colorless in case of titrations, and in basic form it is a pink colored. So in case of phenolphthalein, it is a well-known acidic indicator. The structural rearrangement is represented as below. That is, in first it is available in benzoid form, that is lactone like structure, but when we add base, the breakdown of the lactone form into the another form like this. So this is a overall benzoid form. When we add OH minus, then the resonance structures of quinoide form C is obtained. So here quinoide forms after rearrangements, and when we use excess alkali, we are getting benzoid form again, like, and look, the structure looks like this. So color change is here due to formation of resonance and quinoide forms. In presence of dilute base, lactone ring open to give triphenyl carbinol. So this is a triphenyl carbinol which yields red colored resonating ion C by eliminating water, and again when we use excess alkali we are getting benzoid form, looks like this. So this is about the phenolphthalein indicator which are used in acid base titrations. Then another one indicator which is used in acid base titration is methyl orange. It is a basic indicator. Generally it shows color change from red to yellow, that is color change red to yellow takes place. The structural rearrangement is as follow, or the structure of methyl orange is as follow. So in quinonide form, which is red colored, the structure is looks like SO3 minus benzene ring NHN and double bond benzene ring N plus CH3 twice plus H2. But in resonating form it changes to benzoid form, which is yellow one. SO3 N double bond N benzene ring N CH3 twice. Here color change is due to formation of quinonide and benzoid forms. In presence of acid, quinonide form is formed from its resonating form, which gives red color to the solution. Here note that up to pH 2.9 quinonide form is stable one, while above pH 4.6 benzoid form is stable one, which will be explained in acid base indicators. So this is about the acid base indicators, that is phenolphthalein and methyl orange. So thank you all of you for listening this video.